Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. If your Snapchat account has been locked for violating community guidelines, here are some steps you can take to resolve the issue. So let's get started. So as you understand the reason for your account lock, reach out to Snapchat support team for assistance. You can do this by visiting Snapchat support website or going to the support section within the Snapchat app. But since our Snapchat app is logged, so go to the Google and write down Snapchat support and search for it. After that, you will get to see my account has been logged option available below there. Tap on it. After you tap on it, you will be navigated to a long description of your account has been logged. So after you open it, you will get to see a long list of why your account is logged. Look for my account is permanently logged option, but if you can't find any permanently logged option available there, then you can simply scroll down and search for it. So you can see here is my account is temporarily blocked and various other list of why your account is logged, but you should not click any of them. You should click why your account is permanently blocked, and you can see it is written in very small font right below it. After that, you'll be navigated to a long description of my account is permanently hacked, and here are some tips and tricks how to get back your account. But simply tap on the appeal form available there in blue highlights. So after you tap on it, you will be navigated again to how to submit a logged account appeal. So here you can see a very long description of how you can do that. Simply read all this, but in order to make this easy, you can simply tap on the appeal option available while you log in. So while your account is logged, you will get to see this option available here, appeal option available here. Simply tap on it and Snapchat support will go through your appeal. And after submitting your appeal, be patient and wait for a response from Snapchat support team. They will review your case and may ask for additional information if needed. So if Snapchat decides to unlock your account, make sure to adhere to their community guidelines and terms of service going forward. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching.